Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and welcome to all the new subscribers. I am trying to get better about doing more midweek updates and kind of talk about things that are going on or things that just happen to be of interest to me. Hopefully, you find some of these of interest to you as well. Um, if you like what I'm doing, hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, do all those good things that the YouTube algorithm likes. And let's continue to build that subscriber base. But this is a drop in to kind of talk a little bit about Fabric Cafe, about 3 yard quilts. As you know, I met Fran and Donna at QuiltCon back in February. Both were just amazing women. They could not have been more welcoming, more receptive, talking about my channel, just different things, and really enjoyed spending some time with them. Even though it was crazy, right? I mean, just chaos of QuiltCon to begin with, but they made each customer coming through the booth feel like they wanted to make a little connection with you. So just very refreshing compared to some of the others that were there more on a commercial um, position, I guess. I don't know. Um, it was just a different reception. But that said, I have looked at doing more 3 yards. I have looked at working and getting some of their patterns. I actually own, I think, just about every book that they published. And then every so often I'll be watching the channel and find, whoa, there's a pattern I'd like to do. Are you kidding me? That particular book I don't have because I think I now have like 15 books, but they're coming out with them so fast and furious too, makes it difficult. But with that said, I wanted to talk a little bit about their single pattern purchases. So if you've not done a 3 yard quilt, if you've been thinking about doing a 3 yard quilt, there are alternatives out there. So I have purchased actually what they consider a single pattern. Comes in a nice little envelope like this. I've actually purchased several, and we'll probably do some giveaways on my channel coming up in the next month or so. But if you thought about trying a 5 yard quilt, you didn't want to spend the 12, 15, $20 on the book. In each of their pattern books, you typically get 8 patterns. There are alternatives, and you can do the single patterns. And so I picked out a few of the single patterns that I thought were just kind of cool, that kind of jumped out at me. And this first one is from Fabric Cafe. Is called Merry and Bright, and it finishes at 40 by 58 inches. So there is an example of one pattern that they do. On the back, it gives you a couple of other illustrations, tells you you need 3 1 yard cuts of fabric. You need 3 yards of fabric for the backing, and you will need a twin size batting and a thread to match the fabric. So it's really kind of cool, very quick and easy. When you open the envelope itself, it comes out. This is actually a bifold. So just a bifold, right? Kind of marketing ploy. And then the instructions are basically one sheet. So on that one sheet, it gives you all the instructions around how to assemble the pattern, how to cut the pattern, all of those good things. These patterns do run $5.99, so I do find that to be a little pricey considering some of the competition that's out there. But again, if you're looking specifically for 3 yard patterns, if you're looking for something um, to get your toes in the water, right, or whatever, this is a good way to do it. So Merry and Bright is this pattern. I really thought this pattern was cute, so I did grab several of those. I have not made it yet, but it is, as you can see, in the pile with everything else to get done. But hopefully soon. Then I did grab a second pattern called Pinwheel Lane, and I thought this one was cute as well. And I really liked the looks of that. And again, I like that they give you the kind of a second and third look on the back. So you get 3 looks at how you can kind of mix up that pattern. I also bought just the pinwheel. So this was Pinwheel Lane. This one's called Pinwheel. And again, all of these are done with 3 yards of fabric, right? So quilt top, this one takes 3 coordinating fabrics of 3 1 yard cuts and then 3 yards a fabric for the backing, twin size batting, and thread to match. So again, I think this one is pretty cool. I like the appearance and what that looks like. So I did grab a couple of those as well. I actually picked up one called Pretty Simple, and it looks like it is done more with, I don't know if it's a layer cake or 10-inch squares. I'm not sure what size squares those are. But again, if you've got something that's a big, bold pattern that you would want to really kind of showcase and show off, there's an opportunity to do that. I also picked up one called Marquee. And Marquee, I believe, looks like it was almost cut out of a panel and kind of put together. Quite different, especially when you look at the borders here, the framing of the top and bottom. Quite different. Actually, kind of reminds me of more of that Indian cowboy Western look. And it could be just the pattern that they chose, but or the fabrics that they chose. But again, a lot of good samples around what that looks like. I also purchased one called Garden Path. Yes, okay. So to be clear, I did pick up several as I was going through because I know you're all shocked that I bought more than one or two. But again, I bought this one called Garden Path. And again, all of these are going to finish out around, this one says 45 by 63. So all of them are going to finish about the same size because all of them use 3 yards of fabric. This one is called Spools, and I actually have another competitor's pattern in spools. Actually, I think I have two. I have yet to do any, but again, I just would love to do that, especially, I've got this one hanging that says quilt stitch pins, sew, button, friends, threads, fabric. Really fell in love with that when I saw that panel. That's literally just a panel with two borders, is what I did on that. But I just kind of like this stuff that make for wall hangings and that to have in my YouTube studio. So at some point that'll happen. And then this one I really liked because I don't know, the seashells and that kind of jumped out at me. This one is called Gatsby. And look at the seashells. And again, if you've got a pattern or a panel where you really want to showcase some specific things and maybe do a little fussy cutting with it, this is a good pattern to do that with. And again, on the back they give you the two samples. So I do think, honestly, $5.99 a little pricey for these. Because honestly, you're getting one sheet of paper and a bifold of information. But I really did like the opportunity of being able to just buy some single patterns. I did buy several, as you see. I did buy dupes or trips, so we can give some out on one of the lives in the coming weeks, and we'll see how that works. But I just thought it would be fun to kind of drop in, we talk about others and we talk about their patterns and how inexpensive they can be. Obviously, going this route is much less than buying the book, right? But with the book, you get 8 patterns. Here for $5.99, you're only getting the one pattern. And I will be honest, I did not check to see if you have to pay shipping on top of that. My guess is probably yes if you're buying it from Fabric Cafe. I also know when I looked on um, Amazon, I could not find these listed on Amazon. I know the Fabric Cafe 3-yard quilt books are on there, but I couldn't find just the single patterns. So, guys, that's just my update. That's just my take. You may have already bought these, seen these, played with these. I don't know, but I just thought it would be fun to jump on, talk about something a little bit different, and kind of share my take on what I'm thinking about that. Again, love Donna and Fran. I think they were amazing, and just such warm, natural women, right? Very much felt like meeting them in person was just like watching them on their channel. They were very genuine, or came across as very genuine. So that's me. That's what I wanted to talk about this morning for just a little bit. I appreciate each and every one of you dropping in. Tell your friend, neighbors, preachers, anyone that'll listen about the channel. Our numbers continue to grow. It's just humbling, amazing, and exciting all at the same time. Just a big bag of emotions. But appreciate each and every one of you. Feel free to drop something down in the comments section. I try to read and respond to every comment. Sometimes it does take a couple of days, but I do try to read and respond to every comment left. So, with that said, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. And as always, until next time, we say happy crafting.